Hello everyone, this is my review of the Yeeta Home outdoor grill cart. Right out of the box, it felt robust and thoughtfully designed. The stainless steel tabletop is solid rated to support up to 220 pounds, and the iron frame is corrosion resistant. Assembly was a bit fiddly, some holes didn't align perfectly, and I had to tighten bolts carefully, but once together, it's sturdy. When I moved it around, the swivel wheels rolled smoothly, and I could lock two of them to keep it steady on uneven surfaces. That made it perfect for repositioning during a barbecue or party. The flat top handles everything from setting plates to holding a pizza oven. Easy to clean and stylish in black stainless steel. It's a functional mobile prep station great for grilling, meal setup, or carting food outdoors. Just take your time installing it and consider adding a protective rug or pad to avoid scratches. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.